Hello everyone and welcome to another video on computer graphics video lecture series, and today we are going to cover how different fields are interlinked with each other, which are like computer graphics, computer vision, artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So let's start with the computer graphics. Computer graphics is an important field where the computer is used to take an input of any defined model, algorithm, textual information, or even graphical information or data, and it used to do some processing, and it used to produce an improved or an enhanced or a new graphical visualization. Next is computer vision, and in computer vision the computer is used to take input of an image or graphical information, graphical data, and it used to produce some sort of information that can be used for the decision making, analysis, or to do some sort of further processing. So in computer graphics, the output always used to be another graphical thing or a new graphical model or design. And while in the computer vision, the input used to be graphical data in the form of video or visual information, images, and the output used to be some decision information. So that is like almost opposite of each other in terms of producing the output and in terms of taking the input. While how these two domains are linked with the other domains like artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, before going to that part, let me discuss about these three fields. Artificial intelligence is the main field where we are trying to make the computing device that much powerful that they will start acting like human brain, and they will start taking the decisions by their own based on the trained models or based on the set of rules. Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence where we use to let the machines learn the way our brain used to learn. Like at the start, we used to train our brain by feeding some sort of information. In the same way, we let the computers get trained by giving the large amount of data, and then we used to give some new data in order to produce the output or analysis or decision making. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning where the prediction rates are much higher as compared to the other typical machine learning algorithms. By using deep learning algorithms, the input training data used to be extremely high, and we used to let deep learning algorithms extract the features by their own and then use those features to take the decision. So artificial intelligence has subfield machine learning, and machine learning has subfield deep learning. Now, how these three domains are interlinked with the computer graphics and computer vision? If we see in computer graphics, we used to let the computers generate some new graphics. So how we can generate those graphics? Of course, we need to have some sort of algorithms running at the background. One option is we can generate graphics manually by the direct interaction between the software and doing the arrangements of different graphics and doing some processings by using like Photoshop or other AutoCAD and these sort of tools. While the other option is like we will use the programming algorithms and we will define set of rules, and the new produced model will be acting based on those defined set of rules or defined models or defined algorithms. So here the idea of artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning comes, where we can generate the new graphical images by applying these techniques. I can give you several examples, like we can do image enhancement and we can remove the noise from the images by using artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. In the same way, in order to extract different objects from the images or from the graphics, we can again apply the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Another example, like we want to merge or combine different objects or different graphics together to act collectively in a single new graphical image or graphical representation. Again, over here we can apply artificial intelligence or machine learning, and over here if we will apply machine learning and artificial intelligence, manual work will be reduced, and even we can get better representation if we will have better defined model for the new graphical images. So all these fields are interlinked somehow because all of them are using computing devices in order to generate some sort of representation or results, or in order to take decisions. Similarly, for the computer vision, graphical images used to be fed to the computer in order to produce some sort of decision making, recognition or prediction. So in that case, again, artificial intelligence is the one who is actually used at the back end, and the prediction are being done by using the typical rule based methods or by using the machine learning algorithms. That's it for today's video, and in next video we are going to cover history of the computer graphics. That's it for today's session, and don't forget to subscribe my channel as well as to share this video with the others. Thank you.